Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Eclipse IDE, that is Eclipse IDE version 2025-06 on the Windows operating system. And after that I'll also show you how to use this latest version of Eclipse IDE for Java programmings. So let's first go to our favorite browser and just simply type over here Eclipse IDE download, hit enter. So that will show you this eclipse.org. So just go to their official site and you will get a download button over here. So click on that. So that will show you this couple of options. So one is download x86_64 and then download arch64. So I'll recommend you to download this x86_64. So just simply click on that. So that's going to show you this page. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description as well. Just click on this download button. Thank you for your download. And our exe for Eclipse IDE is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it, minimize my browser, go to my download directory, and here is our Eclipse IDE. Just double click on it. So here is our Eclipse installer. And there you go. So our Eclipse installer is rightly opened. So here I am going to proceed with Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So I am going to click on that. So that will open this Eclipse IDE for Java developers window. Here you can see it is telling you will need 21 and above of Java. So if you click on this drop down, you can see we have Java 21 and Java 23. Both are available to be downloaded. So you can switch to the latest one, that is 23, and you can keep all other things as default and just simply click on install. So that's going to immediately show you this Eclipse installer license agreement. You can always read this, accept it, and immediately we'll see our installation for Eclipse is rightly began. So it's going to take some time, a couple of minutes. So let's wait for some time over here. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly installed and our launch button is there. So just click on this launch button to launch our Eclipse IDE. And there you go. So our Eclipse IDE launcher is slightly open. So this is where our Eclipse IDE is going to create and save all of our projects. So on our Eclipse workspace directory, if you want to change it, you can always click on browse and you can change to some other directory. I'm going to cancel it as I'm going to keep the default one itself. And you can also check this, use this as a default and do not ask again. So it's not going to ask again and again, and click on launch. So that's going to immediately start launching our Eclipse IDE version 2025-06. And there you go. So it has rightly opened. So this is the interface of our Eclipse IDE. You can read all these different documents. You can read this, create a hello world application note as well. It's going to also redirect to your browser, telling to sponsor them. So you can always sponsor them. And here I'm going to select this exclude Eclipse IDE from being scanned, because that's going to unnecessarily make our system slow. So no need to include Eclipse IDE for scanning by Microsoft Defender. So select that and click on proceed. Classify administrative privileges, click on yes. It is properly done. So now it's time to do a bit of coding. So you can close this, and that's going to open this package explorer window. So you can create a new Java project by clicking on this create a Java project button from here, or else you can also go to file and click on new and click on Java project from here as well. So that's going to open create a Java project window over here. So here you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as Java Practice, and we're going to use the latest version of Java, that is Java SE 23. So I'm going to proceed with the default one, and I'm going to uncheck this module part. So I'm going to keep this create module info.java file unchecked and click on finish. So that's going to immediately start creating our Java project. You can see it is actually started creating, and here is our Java practice folder. So if you expand this, you will get a src folder. So right click on it and hover over new and click on class to create a Java class over here, right? So here you have to provide your class name. So let's give the class name as Java Practice. You can give any class name. Alright, I'm just giving a demo. You have to select this public static void main, and you need to keep all other things as default and click on finish. So that's going to create a Java practice.java file over here. So you can see that class file is also rightly opened, along with it has also created a public static void main method as well. So here you can print something on your console. So system.out.println, and you can print something like hello world, let's say. Just end with a semicolon and just simply click on the run button. So when you click on run button, it's going to tell you whether you like to save and launch. Yes, and you are going to get that output coming over here, right? Hello world. So whatever you have written, so that output is coming. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Java and you can start working on your Java projects. And if you're interested on Python, I always recommend to follow this playlist. So every week I am posting new videos, so starting from turning a text into a realistic speech or face detector, or turning a text to a handwritten text, or you can even create your very own QR code. So all these projects you are going to get along with entire source code for completely free on our channel. Alright, so do follow our Python project playlist, along with if you are also interested on WordPress. So again, you can follow this entire playlist. Again, some videos are 1 hour, some are 1 or 30-minute video. So all these videos also you can watch for completely free. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.